It's not about being difficult. It's about being educated around should we proceed or not. Hi, everybody. It's great to be back with you today. I'm Shannyn Lee, the Managing Director at Win Without Pitching, and I want to talk a little bit about how to handle an RFP when you receive one. We would, of course, prefer that you have this ability to win without pitching and derail these RFP processes. We're fully aware that that's not always the case, though. So the idea here is to try to gain some power in those conversations, to try to gain an inside track and see if they'll let you behave a little differently than maybe others responding to the RFP. But really, what I want you to do first when an RFP comes across your desk is to ask, why us? Why are we on the list to receive this RFP? You want to find out if maybe somebody internally referred you and you have a little bit of an edge, or if you're a cast of thousands and they're looking at 30 firms, because then it's decision time. I'm not saying don't respond to RFPs. I'm saying be smart about it, right? So find out, why are we on the list in the first place? Ask questions about the process. Ask why they're using an RFP process to make a decision to hire a firm like yours. Have your whys in order around why you don't typically respond to RFPs. Use that language even. Hey, just so you know, we don't typically respond to RFPs. And then embrace silence and see what they say. But have your whys ready. Why don't you respond to RFPs? I just had a conversation with a client and they've tracked these things. The RFPs that they've responded to have resulted in not their best work if they win. When the process is not run by an RFP, they're able to create more value for their clients and their win rate goes up. Share these things. Talk about the fact that RFPs literally cost our industry and the client millions, if not billions. There's a lot of studies that have been done, Forrester, the 4As, over the last year or so. State some of those facts. Ask them why they think this is the best process. It's not about being difficult. It's about being educated around should we proceed or not. And if you do decide to proceed with an RFP, which is okay if it makes sense, if it kind of stacks up on a scorecard you might use to measure should we proceed or not, then at least try to mitigate the amount of time that you're putting to the RFP so you don't have a high cost of sale. And also look each other in the eye on your team and let each other know, win or lose, we're going to go ahead and go for it. We're going to give it a try, but win or lose, we have each other's back. Just some little hints and tips on RFPs and procurement and strategic sourcing and all of those fun friends we have out there in the world that sometimes make the sale a little bit difficult. Hope this was helpful. Have a great day out there, everybody. And please send some questions along. Let us know how things are going as you're trying out some of these ideas. We love to hear back and we love to help, right? So let us know what else is going on out there that you'd like some help with today. Cheers.